Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Yaris tail light bulb. Start by confirming the bulb type and gathering a replacement and basic tools. Park on level ground and set the parking brake, then switch off the ignition and remove the key. Open the trunk or access panel, clear any loose items, and position a flashlight for better visibility. Keep the original bulb as a spare if it still functions intermittently. With the trunk open, remove the interior cover or access panel to reveal the taillight assembly. Use a gentle prying motion and a soft tool to avoid damage. Keep all screws and clips in a small container to prevent loss and note their positions for reinstallation. Pull the assembly straight out with steady pressure until the bulb holder is reachable, and set the taillight aside on a clean surface to avoid scratches. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise and pull it free from the taillight assembly. Handle the holder and bulb base, not the glass, to prevent oils and damage. Remove the old bulb with a straight pull and insert the new bulb firmly until it seats correctly. Reinstall the holder by twisting clockwise, then test the tail lights to confirm operation before reattaching the assembly and interior panel to finish the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.